nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make again a digestive liquor. We're gonna make with basil. It's absolutely delicious. What we need, guys? We need fresh basil and we need pure alcohol, 96%. I find this in Italy. In UK you cannot find it, but if you don't find that, you can use the pure vodka. That is good. Anyway, what we're gonna need now, a nice bowl, and we're gonna take over all our basil leaves and we're gonna wash it, okay? Just I'll show you the beginner, you know, because this plant later is gonna give us more leaves again. We're gonna wash them. We need around 150 grams of leaves, stuff like that, okay? But anyway, more leaves you put, the flavor is a little bit stronger, you know? Like this, I want the strong flavor. Okay, do your leaves, we wash them, and I'm gonna show you the second step. It's very easy, but guys, if you don't have the alcohol, 96% pure, or the pure vodka, okay, strong one, you cannot make this, okay? Before you start, make sure you have this stuff. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, okay? If you find some leaves is not nice for you, don't put it, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, my basil, I wash it, it's dry, oh yeah, it's absolutely clear. Now it's almost done. It's easy to make if you are the ingredient. My two little plants, they're gonna grow again. Gonna put in the garden. Now, guys, what we need is a nice big jar. Put all your basil leaves inside, just like that. And we're gonna add the alcohol. Try to squeeze it a little bit. Okay. Now we take the alcohol. You know, I need half liter. Okay, no more. Perfect. The smell, oh. Now, with this, another half, I'm gonna make some other liquid. I love make that. Now, guys, nothing more easy is add the alcohol to the leaves, the basils. Now, press a little bit. Now, guys, this one, we're gonna close it and we're gonna leave somewhere in the dark, room temperature, and in this I want to say something. Someone leave this 3 days, 1 week, 15 days. I'm gonna leave this 1 month, okay? In the dark, in my storage there, and sometime go there and move it, okay? Shake it. And that's it. Try to leave the leaves. Always try to put under, okay? It's gonna become green, nice. The smell gonna be absolutely delicious. Guys, now this going in the dark, in my storage. And see you in 1 month, okay? When we're gonna do the second step and we're gonna prepare the syrup, okay? Guys, the my base 40 days is gone and my digestive basil leaf, look at the color. I won't find light, look, it's absolutely intense, super nice. The smell is amazing. Now, what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna make the syrup. I'm gonna use 750 ml of water, 550 grams of sugar. What we're gonna do? Turn it on. Water in. Cold water, of course. The sugar in. We now stir it until everything, all the sugar is completely dissolved. I'm gonna show you. And we're gonna wait. The syrup gonna cool down completely. And later we're gonna mix with the alcohol. Here basically we have half liter of pure alcohol and basil leaves. And now we have this 750 ml of water and 550 grams of sugar, okay? When it's completely dissolved, I gonna show you, okay? Next step. Okay guys, it's completely dissolved, the sugar. Now turn it off. And you don't have to wait until the water gonna boil, no. When the sugar is completely, yeah, now it look like again water, okay? Now we leave it to cool down completely, and later we're gonna mix with the alcohol, okay? See you for when this everything is room temperature and we mix everything. See you later. Okay guys, it's completely cold. Look, it's absolutely dissolved everything. Now strainer, we're gonna pour everything inside. Oh, the smell. Woo. Okay, everything in. Look at the color. I need this out because I'm gonna need this again. Woo. I don't want to make mess. I'm just going to the sink. Okay, look there guys. I don't know if the light,
yeah, I can see.
You know, here is completely green. Anyway, now this going again in this jar and going back again in the dark, and we storage for another. Well, this is ready in another 10 days, 2 weeks, but I like more. Gonna take the flavor and I'm gonna leave in the dark in my storage around another 30 days. Now I put everything inside again. Anyway guys, now this one you close it again. I'm gonna clean everything. Okay, and this one guys go in the dark again for another 30-40 days. See you in 30-40 days, but next time we're gonna try it, okay? Okay guys, another 30 days gone. My digestive liquors with basil, I think is ready. And now it's time to try and to transfer in the bottles, okay? I prepare already some bottles here. Any bottle you like. I like these. Stuff like that, you know? And now we do this. Just we do double. Because I did before the insane. Now we do again in case inside this left something. Just gentle. Oh, the smell is wow. Okie dokie. You know, something is left in. And now it's time to move everything to the bottle. Take your time. Please slowly. Anyway, I don't want to be
tights last time.
Yeah, because it was more stuff inside. Anyway, I don't want to be long. Look at that. The color is so nice.
I'm gonna smell it.
You want to smell it?
Anyway, I want to fill up these cocktails and we're gonna try it. Guys, I'm very proud of this. It's absolutely wow, the smell. Wow, this is what I get with that amount of the alcohol and the water can we use. It's
It doesn't
almost
smell too nice, to be honest.
no, it's a liter and a half. I think even more. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna try it by the color and the smell
It's
is
beautiful.
it's beautiful. And now me
Taste it.
and my Gajinka, we're gonna taste it. My Zuzi, my partner, and salute. Na
Salute,
zdravie.
na zdravie.
Cheers. And wow, it's
Try it.
absolutely delicious, guys.
I don't like the smell, but you like the smell, so it doesn't really matter.
Wow, absolutely al bacio. Guys, what I want to say, my liquor digestive with basil natural is this, beautiful. If you like,
Finger up and follow us.
always.
Ciao.
Ciao.